Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who loves functionality, creativity, and sustainability in one simple product. This, folks, is the best Blank Tote, the TOPDesign economical cotton tote bags, a pack of 5 lightweight, reusable, and endlessly versatile bags. Let's talk about what makes these totes stand out. First, the size. Each bag measures 15 inches wide by 16 inches high, a sweet spot for carrying books, groceries, gifts, craft supplies, or even your lunch and a water bottle. And the handles? 2 sturdy, 25-inch long straps, each an inch wide, giving you the flexibility to carry them by hand or sling over your shoulder comfortably. Now, we can't ignore the durability. These bags are crafted from 100% natural 5-ounce cotton. That might sound lightweight, and they are, but TOPDesign has gone the extra mile by using compacted lock stitching throughout the bag, with cross-stitching at the handle joints. That little detail means these bags aren't just pretty, they're tough. They'll carry your essentials without a fuss and hold up longer than your average grocery tote. Let's shift gears and talk about creativity. These bags are blank canvases, literally. They're perfect for DIY enthusiasts, teachers, students, crafters, and small businesses looking to personalize merchandise or giveaways. You can paint, screen print, embroider, or apply heat transfer vinyl right onto the surface. Just a tip: slip some paper inside the bag while painting to avoid bleed through. Whether it's for a kid's camp, a school project, or a customized birthday bag, the creative possibilities are endless. And speaking of gifting, they make perfect gift bags too. Think birthdays, weddings, trade shows, holiday parties, teacher appreciation, even church events. There's something special about receiving a gift in a bag that's useful beyond just carrying the gift itself. It's thoughtful, it's eco-friendly, and it adds a personal touch that plastic or paper bags simply can't match. Let's not forget the environmental impact. Ditch the plastic and go green. These cotton totes are a small but impactful step towards sustainability. Every time you reuse one of these bags, you're helping reduce waste and set a positive example for others. In a world overrun by disposable everything, making this kind of conscious choice really does matter. One thing to keep in mind: washing these totes is not recommended. Cotton shrinks, and in this case, shrinkage can exceed 10%. If they get dirty, hand wash gently in cold water and hang dry. Flash drying or machine washing can damage the fabric. If your bag breaks under normal use within the first year, they'll replace it for free. That's pretty rare for an item at this price point, and it shows their confidence in quality. So to wrap it up, the TOPDesign cotton tote bags check every box: eco-conscious, versatile, durable, and highly customizable. Whether you're using them for shopping, crafting, gifting, or organizing, they do the job and do it well. If you're looking for a blank canvas that can handle your lifestyle and your creativity, this is it. This is the best blank tote. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you'd customize your tote. See you in the next one.